Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. We got another car we're getting ready to put up for sale. This is a 2013 Cadillac XTS. It's the luxury package. Beautiful car inside and out. Black leather interior, all the options you would come to expect with a XTS, including the sunroof in it. We do have brand new tires all the way around here. New brake pads on the front, so that's going to help you get started off with this on the right path. Go back here, it does have a backup camera. You got the sensors on the back to alert you anybody behind you. Let's go ahead and pop the trunk open. Oh, one other thing, this is all-wheel drive. As you can see, the XTS 4, the 4 means you do have four-wheel drive, all-wheel drive with this car. You hit a button and you see it comes up automatically for you. So you a lot of space back here, and boy is this thing clean. So we'll continue to do our walk around. It's got a lot of flake in the paint on this, just glistens when the sun hits it. Show you the rims and the tires on this. You do have turn signals that are built into your mirrors. Up here you can see the sunroof portion, so let's go ahead and show you the interior. And it's got beautiful black leather interior in this, wood trim. There I've got the shade open on the sunroof. You do have heated seats even here in the rear, and there are the controls to turn those on and off. Beautiful black door trim with the wood grain accent. Okay, so here we are up front. Of course, you do have the power seats on both seats. And on your door panel, you do have 2 position memory positions for the seats. Bose stereo system. Absolutely beautiful car inside. Let's go ahead and hop inside. Now this car does have push button start. So I'm going to go ahead and press the button here. And you can see everything loading up. It does have navigation on the LCD. Now this is the luxury package. So it's going to have a lot of the bells and whistles. So you go over here, you've got a lot of controls. It does have Bluetooth connectivity for your smartphones. You can answer and receive calls. You can control your audio system here, volume up and down. And we get on over here and you can see the navigation. I'm going to go ahead and drop this in reverse. You'll see the rear view camera engage on it. But it does have dual climate control. Hit the home button here and it goes up to your home screen. So I mean, you talk about one nice vehicle. Press this button, there's your heated seats engaged. So high, medium, low settings, and it does have cooled seats also. So very nice features on this. Now this will lift up. You do have storage compartment with a USB port inside. And open this up, you do have 2 cup holders, storage compartment there. Your armrest will open up and you've got additional storage with USBs there. And you can see the leather interior. And you do have controls right up here. You can actually to open and close. There's the shade that's closing automatically for you. So, and to show you the back, the center armrest does fold down. Ample storage or leg area for your legs back here also. But that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That is our 2013 Cadillac XTS luxury package, all-wheel drive, 3.6 liter V6 engine in it, slightly over 300 horsepower. Just beautiful car inside. Now if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. We've got a lot of financing options available. So with that, hope you have a great day. Bye for now.